Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Dataset Spotlight video. In this video I'm going to talk about the Met Office forecast data. There is an enormous amount of data available on the metoffice.gov.uk data points website. It has a huge API. The data that our customers have asked us to collect is the 3-hourly 5-day forecast by over 5,000 locations. To get additional information about the API, go to this website here, metoffice.gov.uk/services/data/datapoint/datapoint-support, and click on API reference, where you'll get this PDF that explains all of the data in the API. And there's so much more in this website too. But we're gathering the 5-day forecast. That is collected every 3 hours from their API and loaded into this table. And this table I'm demoing here. I've written the code and I'll copy this code you're looking at now into the description for the video. So this bit of code here, I've returned the latest forecast date from the API, and I'm using it in the query, so I've put that there. And I've also filtered to just Carlisle Airport, and this is the results. So we have 36 rows of data, and because there are 6,000 locations, if you were not to filter by location, you would get around about 216,000 rows every 3 hours. So just sticking with Carlisle Airport, 36 rows, I've got the forecast was made on at 4 p.m. today, on the 3rd of December, and it's now 5:45 p.m. It includes the forecast from just before as well. I don't quite know how they do that, but they've described it here as where is it? Here we go. These forecasts take into account the weather in preceding and following hour to allow for small variations of timing. For example, the 3 o'clock forecast takes into account our predications for 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock. So I'm guessing that's why they've included previous forecasts just in there too. But anyway, you can query the data and get a full idea of what I'm talking about. But anyway, so with Carlisle Airport, we can see that we've got a prediction for midday today, all the way up to 9 p.m. on the. If I just order that by forecast date, that would be good, wouldn't it? We can get the order nice and easy to see. Okay, so first one, 12 o'clock today, and the last one, 9 p.m. on the 7th of December. And as you can see, it's currently the 3rd of December. So the values you get, feels like temperature in centigrade, wind gust in miles per hour, screen relative humidity in percentage, precipitation probability as a percentage, wind speed in miles per hour, temperature as degrees Celsius, visibility, weather type, max UV index. So, as I'd expect, you'd probably want to use this to predict potential demand, perhaps on our A&E. I'm guessing, based on potential, freak weather, like very cold, very hot, etc. One of our customers wanted to also use it to try and see if there was any relationship between certain weather predictions, which is what people see when they watch the weather on the TV, and their decision to or not to attend some appointment or other the next day. So it'd be useful to have a look at predictions that were made in the past. This table is not replaced, it just keeps having new data added to it. So all the predictions made back to February 2022 when we started pulling the data is in there. And we are planning on putting much older historical data in here as well. We just need to see if Met Office can provide that for us. That's really it. There's some more I could explain, but I would recommend going to their website to understand the data in more detail, and you can also ask us on the forum. So keep tuned to this to our YouTube channel, because I'll be loading new videos on covering all the data sets that we do, and this will go on continuously because we keep adding new data sets. Thanks.